Seriously? Just as I got... There it is. Okay. That's one star, okay? And then look at the other stars. If I can even show them to you. Here's the other star. Also beautiful like a rainbow. That green glow, I'm telling you, it's what I see. I see it like very clearly. And obviously there's like a green something on my phone every time I come outside. But look, even if I try to videotape not where that thing is, right here's where there's some green overlay on my phone, but that's the thing I see across the street all the time. Okay, and every day it changes shape. There's the mountain. See how there's green everywhere? And that green stuff that is changing on this camera is the same stuff I catch on my other camera. See how red that is? You can tell me that that's just another star. And maybe it's the aurora borealis, right? It's not even as bright as it was, like as I was setting these cameras up. Here's the other star. And then for context, that's my look. And then here's the Orion belt. I think here's another red looking star, unless I moved my phone. No, I should still be able to see that one. There's one that's very orange looking. All right, well, okay, that does not to me look like just another star, and someone's gonna be like, that's Jupiter or whatever. I really don't think so, man. I really don't think so. And look, here's, just for context, here's my dog, okay? She looks like a fox. Oh, that's my little border terrier's face. Okay, I want to see if I can